Hello friends, in this session we'll see what is software testing. Software testing is a process to evaluate the functionality of a software application. We then intend to find whether the developed software met the specified requirements or not. Also used to identify the defect to ensure that the product is defect free in order to produce the quality product. Then what is the standard definition of software testing? According to ANSI IEEE 1059 standard, a process of analyzing a software item to detect the differences between existing and required conditions like defects and to evaluate the features of the software item. This is the standard definition of software testing. Next we'll see why do we need testing. We need testing ensure that software is bug free, ensure that system meets customer requirements and software applications, that the system meets end user expectations, fixing the bugs identified after releasing is expensive, testing is required for an effective performance of software application or product. Who does testing? Developers, testers. In real world, who does testing? So in this session, we'll see who is the responsible for doing the testing. It depends on the process and the associated stakeholders of the projects. In the IT company, large companies have a team with responsibilities to evaluate the developed software in content of the given requirements. Moreover, developers also conduct testing, which is called unit testing. In most cases, the following professionals are involved in testing a software, a system within their respective capacity. So let's see who does testing. First, software tester, software developers, project lead manager, end users. So above these all are responsible for the testing. Different companies have different designations for people who test the software on the basis of their experience and knowledge, like software testers, software quality assurance engineer, QA analyst, etc. It is not possible to test the software at any time during its cycle. So this is all about who does testing. Let's see when to start testing. An early start to testing reduces the cost and time to rework and produce error-free software that is delivered to the client. In software development lifecycle, testing can be started from the requirement gathering phase and continue till the deployment of the software. So we'll learn about SDLC in depth in my coming session. It also depends on the development model that is being used. Example, in the waterfall model, formal testing is conducted in the testing phase, but in the increment model, testing is performed at the end of every increment iteration and the whole application is tested at the end. Testing is done in different forms at every phase of SDLC. So one by one, we'll see every phase of SDLC. Like during the requirement gathering phase, this is the first phase, requirement gathering. Will analyze and verify the requirements are also considered as testing. In reviewing phase, in the design phase with the intent to improve the design is also considered as testing. Testing performed by a developer on completion of the code is also categorized as testing. This is all about software testing, why we need testing, when we start testing, who does testing. Thank you.